Unit 8, Growing Up. Learning to say no. What is learning to say no? It is a story is given. It was 6:30 in the morning. Pulkit and Ankit were running on their way to school. Why they were running? Because it was late to school. Pulkit and Ankit were brothers. Ankit was 1 year older to Pulkit. They had joined a new school in Romesh Nagar and their mother was working in a bank. She recently got transferred here. The school was just a stone throw away, means very near to their home. So walking to school, that was a regular routine for them. Now Pulkit used to run, he used to be faster. Okay. Therefore, he reached the school gate first and wait for Ankit there. During the month of June, it was rainy season. Okay. As usual, Pulkit was waiting for Ankit near the school gate. He was looking at the sky, wondering there will be rain today. Downpour means rain. The sky was cloudy and it looked as if it would pour heavily. Ankit dragged himself a few steps behind. What did he see? He saw Pulkit staring at the sky and grinned. He sneaked behind Pulkit and tripped down. He fell down. It was rainy day, so he fell down. Pulkit tumbled on the ground. Everything fell down, all his things, belongings. They were looking at each other. I have told you not to look up when you walk. When you walk, what you should do? You should not look up. You should look down. Keep your eyes on the road, else you will fall. Ankit winked, and winked means blinking. Pulkit ran away, leaving him alone. Pulkit silently collected his bag and made his way to school. He got angry. His brother did not help him to pick up the things and he just went away, leaving him annoyed, irritated. It was unexpected. Most of the time, Pulkit has been very quiet. Even in school days, he never used to speak. He hardly ever spoke, means very less he spoke. He usually would be by himself and had only 1 to 2 close friends, very few close friends. Just a month ago, on Pulkit's 9th birthday, Ankit told all his friends in school to call his brother Bunny. Called him Bunny. Just a month ago this happened. Pulkit felt insulted, but he did not say anything. You shouldn't talk to your brother like that. You should know that calling someone names is bullying. What is bullying? Teasing someone, calling someone by names. You should not do that. But this teacher has warned him you should not do that. He felt insulted. Calling somebody by names is bullying. Miss Pitara has told this, you should not do this, warned him. But Ankit had stopped, but once the teacher was, when the teacher is there, Ankit will not tell. But once the teacher was away, again he started bullying. Since that day, Pulkit attempted to speak to Pitara, but just couldn't get a chance. Today, Miss Pitara in the playground, he saw. So he quickly ran towards her. What is bullying, miss? He asked. Miss Pitara was surprised to hear Pulkit's voice. She looked at him and smiled. Bullying is when somebody hurts you physically. Physically means somebody is adikiradu, thalradu idella. Physically. Or says means words. Explained Miss Pitara. Pulkit was quietly repeating Miss Pitara's words. Hurts me physically or says means words. Hurts me physically or says means words. She observed him closely and asked if there is someone who bullies him. Pulkit was eager to say yes, but instead said no. He again questioned, what can I do to stop that? He's asking his miss, somebody is bullying you. நீங்கள் கூட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க, யாராவது உங்களை புள்ளி பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ யூ ஷுட் be able to face that. What you should do, what can I do to stop that? He's asking. Say no. Say no. Say it loudly. Say it again. What you should do? Say no. நோன்றது ஸ்டப்பனாக சொல்லணும். ஸ்டப்பனாக சொல்லும்போது the other person will get afraid or will think to do that again. Say no. Say it loudly. Say it again. Go and tell an elder about it. பெரியவங்க கிட்ட போய் சொல்லணும். She responded, thank you, Miss Pitara, smiled and he took leave. That day he returned home and stood in front of the mirror. He repeated the word no more than 50 times. Next day, when Pulkit walked past Ankit and his friends in the school corridor, Ankit shouted, Bunny. Pulkit stopped and turned around. He came closer to his brother and his friends and said, no, you will not call me that. I don't like it. So you should be able to say no. What is bullying? You understood? Physically or even words teasing you is bullying. Study shows that 1 in 3 children get bullied in school. School la 3 la ஒரு children kandipa, that is out of 12, 8 children are bullied. இது நடக்குதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. It is important to raise one's voice against bullying. Inform a trusted adult. பெரியவங்க கிட்ட சொல்லணும், like a parent or a teacher. It is courageous to take a stand against bullying. Let's see the meaning. What is sneaked? Move secretly. Eli madri. Move secretly without anyone knowing. Grinned means smile. It is a smile. Dragged na ilukaradu, to move with difficulty as if you are pulling your body. Downpour is heavy rainfall. Stone throw away. Stones throw away na chinna kallu தூக்கி போட்டா அவ்வளோதான். That short distance. Winked. Blinking no, it's a type of கண்ணு இப்படி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி க்ளோஸ் அண்ட் ஓப்பன் ஒன் ஐ குவிக்லி டு ஷோ தட் சம்திங் ஒரு ஜோக் ஒரு சீக்ரெட். ஜோக்கு சீக்ரெட் அதெல்லாம் சொல்லும்போது விங்க், க்ளோசிங் யுவர் ஐ. அன்எக்ஸ்பெக்டட்னா என்னது? நாட் சம்திங் you think will happen, something you don't think is happening, that is unexpected, surprising. Go through the lesson, children.